what do investors want to know from the due diligence exercise? Okay, by now you guys know what the investors want to know from due diligence exercise, right? They want to know, is there any chance that their investment or they are buying into a company, whatever they are spending, okay, are they knowing the full picture of the company which they're buying, or is there some hidden costs, right? Nobody likes hidden costs, right? So once they are buying into the company, they want to know exactly what they're buying into, what are the liabilities, what is everything. And if everything is fine, no problem. If there is some problem, then it has to be caught at this stage before the money is paid out. That is what investors want to know from the due diligence exercise. Different levels of legal due diligence for different kind of transactions and deal structures take place, right? So I already gave you an example. Depending on whether the how much I'm buying into the company. If just I'm giving an example, imagine that 3 months back this company did an IPO and it got listed, and now I am doing a private placement of a bunch of shares with another private shareholder, right? This is possible. Now, right, basically whenever IPO happens in capital markets transactions, a massive due diligence takes place before the IPO, the stocks can be listed. So if there was no problem when the stock got listed, then I might say, you know what, I don't want to see what happened before listing, I want to see what happened after listing. That's all, limited due diligence. Correct? So very limited due diligence only for 3 months can happen.